Hi, I'm Dan Green with Steve Green Heating and Air Conditioning. We have a family-owned business started in 1983. We offer residential, commercial, light commercial, and industrial services for your HVAC needs. We have an in-house fabrication to take care of all your sheet metal needs. We work on all makes and models. We are a York Liberties Plus dealer. We have 24-hour service available. We offer competitive rates. We can work on your new or existing projects. We take care of remodels, retrofits, and new construction. At Steve Green Heating, quality makes the difference. Your satisfaction is our guarantee.